stuck outside because your keypad won't work. Let's get you back in fast. First, check if your keypad has power. Press any button. If the light doesn't come on, the batteries might be dead. Open the battery cover and replace the batteries with fresh ones. Still not working? Make sure the keypad is close enough to your August smart lock. If it's too far away, it can't connect. Bring it within about 10 feet and try again. If you see an error light or get no response, try resetting the keypad. To do this, remove a battery. Wait 10 seconds, then put it back in. The keypad should blink, showing it's rebooting. Next, check your August app. Open the app and find your keypad in the settings. If it says disconnected, tap to reconnect. If there's an update available, install it. Sometimes a simple update fixes things. Finally, if nothing else works, remove the keypad from the app, then re-add it by following the on-screen setup steps. That's it. Most issues are simple fixes. If you're still having trouble, reach out to August support. Good luck, and happy locking.